So hi! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial guys, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba magpalit ng profile name sa ating Spotify account. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang muna natin ang ating Spotify app or yung ating Spotify account. And then, pagka-open guys, mula dito sa pinakang homepage, itap nyo lang yung inyong profile picture na nandito sa upper left corner. And then, dito naman guys, is itap nyo lang yung inyong profile name. And then, dito guys, itatap nyo naman is yung edit. Tap nyo yung edit. And dito guys, pwede nyo nang baguhin yung inyong profile name or yung inyong display name sa Spotify. So, edit nyo lang. So, babaguhin ko lang siya. Tatanggalin ko yung last name. So, ayan, kapag okay na guys, and yun na yung gusto nyong ipalit na profile name or display name, itap nyo lang yung save na nandito sa upper right corner. And ayan guys, kung makikita nyo, napalitan na ng profile name or display name yung aking Spotify account. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba magpalit ng profile name sa Spotify. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.